Hi everyone. Today's topic will be on activities that add to global warming. First is deforestation. Deforestation is the cutting down of trees to clear land, but this also reduces the carbon sink available. Second is wildfires. The use of wood for energy release carbon dioxide and greenhouse gases. When this happens, vegetation is destroyed, the soil is baked, and air pollution takes place. Did you know 88 people died in Zimbabwe due to wildfires just within a year? 3. Open burning. This releases gases into the air as smoke, and this smoke contains gases that can cause asthma, flu, and cough. 4. Industries. We add to global warming by buying goods that use energy to work, such as our fridge, our fan, our laptop, and also our refrigerator. Number 5. Poor waste management. Waste dumping adds to global warming as greenhouse gases are released into the atmosphere. Thanks for watching my video. Like and share. Thank you.